Hey everyone, today is a warmish day. The sun is out, so I'm going.
Sun's out, buns out.
Sun's out, buns out. So I'm gonna go vacuum and wash my car because I have a feeling we won't freeze, and Braylee's gonna help me.
Oh, it's a little cold still.
It's a little cold. Well, yeah, it's still winter. My kids will never learn that it's winter and that you shouldn't wear shorts and that you should wear a coat or a sweatshirt or something. What? Who wished for that?
Me!
What did you tell me earlier today?
I wish Santa something.
Wait, what did you say?
Santa, I know I've been naughty. Give me one more chance. Can the elf come?
I think you're a pretty good boy. That must be why.
Can you give me one more chance? I want the elf to come.
You're a sweetheart.
Poison. I want the big one, Mommy.
Did you find him?
Where? Did you look there earlier?
No?
I wonder how long the elf has been on this shelf. Hiding.
It was in that box.
It was in there. You guys weren't checking on the shelf. What?
You
I didn't touch it. I didn't know it was there.
We didn't know it was there. We would have told you if we would have seen it.
I didn't get them there. Did you guys see it like this? Mom, did you pick that
Yeah.
log right now?
No.
Don't touch it.
I won't touch it.
Do you think I would kill you if you were outside of your car?
I don't think so. Probably wouldn't be good for you.
Can I get out?
No!
That'd be so scary to get hit with.
They just had to take such a long time scrubbing all the bugs off of the front of my car. When I drive to Utah, there are so many bugs. When we drive to Island Park, so many bugs. Does it smell like onions in here?
That's what I was just thinking.
Layla,
What?
what in the heck is going on with your face? Huh?
And they're on it.
You look like a crazy Christmas elf.
So I got right here on my cheek and right here,
Oh yeah, I see that.
and I got on my forehead, and right here, and I had pink eye. Wow, I didn't know I did that. So
You didn't know you did that.
no. I didn't look at a crazy girl.
You didn't look in the mirror when you did it?
Yes, I did.
You are a crazy girl.
You know, we got this messy
You
slime.
got this messy slime.
Yes.
It's not for you, it's for me.
Yeah. Well, it's for the whole family.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I didn't get it for the whole family.
Not for Dad, because him.
He thinks it's gross.
Yes. All of the family loves slime.
I know. You guys steal my slime. What do you have?
Heck. Yes.
What do you have?
Hiccups.
You have the hiccups? I just heard you hiccup. Oh. Do you know how you get rid of the hiccups? Try to hiccup. Try to hiccup. Let's hear it. We're waiting for your hiccup, Layla.
I can't do it.
Where is it? You don't have hiccups. If you think a lot about your hiccups, then they'll go away. Do you like having hiccups? Was that a real one?
Yes.
You're a cutie. I've been editing in here in my pile of boxes. This is a Christmas video that I filmed last year that I am editing for it this year because I didn't get it up in time, which works out great for this year. And it's still super cute. There are a bunch of little snacks and I'm having so much fun editing. I love editing stuff like this. It's super fun. I love editing vlogs too, but this is just a little more like challenging and a little frustrating, which is good, you know? Yeah. The only problem is like some of my footage is super warm, and then some of it is in the middle, and then some of it is full tones. So like trying to balance it all is, you know, the challenge here, but figuring it out. Look at Winston. Oh, so cute.
When he moves, I'm in here.
Oh, you're gonna try to catch the elf? Well, maybe the elf will know if you're peeking and he won't move. I'm gonna give Rosie her jerky for the countdown. Where is she? Oh, look at these, Layla. What shape is this?
A star.
A star for Rosie. Hi. Look at what we have for you, your Christmas countdown. We're still behind and there's 2 in there. There's 2 in there, sweetheart. Oh, where's she going? Is she gonna go hide it? Oh no, she's gonna gobble that right up. Good girl. Want one more? Want to give her one more? She has 2 in here today. That is too cute. I just got this at PetSmart. Also, thank you to everyone who, I think I threw them away, but let me know that the rawhide is not good for dogs. I don't know why I didn't know that. Why are they selling things that are bad for dogs, and why don't people know? I should be educated in that. So thank you. Thank you for letting me know. This past week was a little hectic trying to get everything like cleaned and organized because I was so behind. I needed to do so many things like organize my pantry, but every time I come in here I'm so happy. It was totally worth it to have a couple days of craziness, and the kids helped so much, which was great, but everything is just so organized and it's really nice. Makes me not want to go grocery shopping though. To have to find places for things.
Hi guys.
Hi sister.
Something looks like me.
Something looks like you when you were 3 years old? Is that you? Is it?
I don't know. This isn't a new channel.
That looks so much like you. I don't think that is you, but that looks a lot like you, and you had a shirt just like that. I'm just playing with the slime if you can hear it.
Look at my finger.
Oh no, don't make a mess. I have been loving slime for the past few months from Slime Obsidian. I was gonna show you my laundry room too, because I don't know if I've showed you the laundry room. I'm sure I have, since we extended it. So we extended it out into the garage just like we did with the pantry, because the garage in this house was super big, and it's still big. And so we had plenty of space to extend out into the garage, and I just really wanted a bigger laundry room because we always have so much laundry. So it used to end right here. There was a wall here, and the washer and dryer were right here. So the only space we had was like this little area right here. So we extended it out, and it took me a while to try to figure out how I wanted it, because I was going to extend it out and leave the washer and dryer right here, and then I was like, that doesn't make sense. And the reason that I was kind of thinking that is because we had the cabinets here up along here. But I talked to the contractor who was helping me. I was like, what if we just extend it out enough that we can use a couple of the cabinets that we have, and then I had them build this one here just so that I had extra storage for, like, I got these laundry baskets that fold up, and then brooms and different things like that. Right now still needs to be organized. And then I have extra rugs and linens, and not linens, tablecloths and things up there. Also doesn't look great. And these were existing cabinets that fit, and we just extended it enough that we could switch the washer and dryer from right here to right here. And then we had this that was just like, there was nothing, but it was empty. So I had them build a giant drawer big enough that I could put all of our towels in there, because we always have a billion towels, always. These were here also, and then we did shiplap here because we had to tear everything down, so we had to do something with this wall. So I decided to do the shiplap. And this is my drying rack because I hang a lot of my clothes, and I have thought about adding another one here because I use it so often, but so far it's been fine. And then the sink and everything was here, and this countertop, obviously. The only thing I did was add this big drawer, and then the built-ins right there, but it just made it so much bigger. And normally I have a couple baskets in here for clean clothes that I take out of the washer, and then I keep a lot of like the dirty clothes in here, and these little things just separated. But I've loved it so much. Anyways, that's my little laundry room. And then Casey wanted a mudroom, so there's also a mudroom, but it is a disaster, so I'm not gonna show you. But we did think about extending the laundry room and having it as a laundry room and a mudroom, but I knew it would just be messy all the time, so I didn't want to do that. I wanted my laundry room to be clean, and now it is. Braylee actually cleaned it. I also cleaned up here. Why is that wrapping paper right there though?
I don't know.
Can you grab it and go put it on the chair in there? You can see Christmas lights out the window. I did end up getting all of this stuff organized, and I got my craft stuff organized. Okay, Layla's really wanting to paint these tonight. Do you want to do that?
Yes,
And then the birdhouses are right there.
I want to paint too.
You want to paint too? Okay.
I'm
Whoa-wee.
painting the stall.
Great idea. You can paint a Christmas tree too.
Can I put it on a Christmas tree on the stall?
Yeah, of course you can. We are all ready to go.
I'm showing my elf right here.
The kids are wanting to color and then maybe paint a little bit. So we got the markers. We got some paint. What are you going to do first, Layla? Oh, I like this. Very pretty. Are you still working on your snowflake, or are you going to work on your Christmas tree?
My snowflake.
Your snowflake? Okay. And Winston's drawing the elf on his star.
Famous one.
Nice. Good job. How was your day?
It was awesome. Me and Sadie and Winston just all hung out.
You hung out today. Awesome. Oh wait, don't take this off and squeeze it. We're making crafts, but we can do those tomorrow if you want to make some.
What are you guys making?
Winston's making an elf. We're making some. I got these to make gingerbread houses. Like little
Fun.
houses. You can. I thought we could keep it a birdhouse, or you could like easily remove that, and then it would just be like a little house.
Look
Yeah.
at my elf. My eyes.
Darn
were so-
cute.
My eyes and
Well,
mouth
when
were
you
so-
layer things like that, you have to let the first layer dry, or it just kind of blobs. That's okay. You can still fix it. Your little birdie house is running away from you.
Yes.
You're doing a good job. Everyone else ditched us, so it's just me and Layla picking our noses up here. Gross. Don't pick your nose. I have one birdhouse that's the base of it's painted, and then Layla used this red, and I liked it, and I thought, I'm going to do a red. I'm going to do a red gingerbread house too. She did a red over on the side and then this turquoise on top. Darn cute. Now she's doing such a good job, and I love this color too.
Guess what my favorite color is? Purple and pink.
Woo! Okay, careful. Layla's already painted my shoe. Also, I had to change my pants because she painted my pants. So, we're going to try to keep it together, huh?
Okay. Your neck is itchy.
What?
Your neck is itchy.
Your neck is itchy?
I hit it right here at school,
You did?
and it hurt so bad.
How did you do that?
A wall was right here, and I hit it right here.
A wall? You just ran right into it?
No, right here. That hurt so bad.
I bet. That's why you have to watch where you're going.
I didn't. When we were making a Christmas tree at my school.
Yeah, next time just make sure you're watching where you're walking. Layla runs into a lot of things. Huh? We're going to finish painting our gingerbread houses. We're just painting the houses, and then we're going to decorate them tomorrow when they're dry. And hopefully everyone else will paint theirs tomorrow too. If not, it's fine, because we'll just keep painting, huh, Layla? We hope you all had a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.